Hello again. Recently I had reviewed the MX Anywhere 3, a high-end Logitech mouse. But today I want to talk about another mouse, this dollar store brandless mouse. I'm gonna bring them together, and you can see that the size is comparable. They both have the left button, the right button, the clickable middle wheel. Now, one thing I didn't like about the MX Anywhere 3 was that there's no place to store the dongle. However, in this Dollarama mouse, it takes a AA battery, and it also has a little nook to store the receiver. So keep that in mind if you're in a pinch. Yeah, it's light. It is very affordable. It cost me $4 Canadian. So maybe if you don't want to spend $100 on a mouse, this is an economical option for you. It doesn't have an on-off button, but it does have power savings mode. When you haven't used it for some period of time, it shuts off. Then you have to click to reactivate the Bluetooth connection with the computer. The DPI isn't terrible. I could tell that it didn't have the most accurate pointing experience, but it wasn't terrible either. I used it on my table without a mouse pad, and it was perfectly workable for everyday browsing and document editing. You probably don't want to play games with this though. Thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.